Today is a no BS conversation that we're having about something that stops so many of us in our tracks. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You picture yourself, trying to keep up with the trends that feel built for 22-year-olds. If I try to act young, I'll look ridiculous, which you probably will. And who is going to care about what I know? Life experience, business lessons, education that is paid for in blood, sweat, time, and treasure. And it's not just the audience you're afraid of. It's the people around you. Your old work buddies that are going to give you that look. It'll be polite, but they'll have a pity look on their face because they feel sorry for you. And then you're worried about your family, wondering why you're suddenly chasing clout. Is this your midlife crisis? Or worse, the online trolls who slap the label of something like grandfluencer on you. You can already hear the comments too. Cringe. Dude's out of touch. Go touch grass, Grandpa. Then there's the tech side of it. You may think, well, I'm already behind. I don't even know what half of these buttons on this phone do. Starting now feels like showing up to a marathon with no training. I get it. After spending years, sometimes decades, in traditional careers, the idea of putting yourself out there in the public again is terrifying. You've built a reputation the old-fashioned way. You've earned respect in rooms where people actually wear suits. Now you're supposed to risk it all? For what? Crickets? Mockery? The very real possibility that the internet, which already feels like it belongs to people half your age, will just ignore you, or worse yet, laugh at you? That fear isn't silly. It's real. And it's not just in your head. And it's rooted in something that we've all absorbed for years. The story that social media content and the whole online business world is a young person's game. The platforms reward speed, flash, and trend chasing. And the spotlight seems glued to the crew that is under 35. So when you're carrying a lifetime of real expertise, real stories, real scars, it's easy to convince yourself that your voice doesn't belong anymore. But here's what I want you to hear, straight from someone who's been right where you are. That fear is loud, but it is lying to you. The truth is the creator economy is starving for exactly what you bring. People are exhausted by highlight reels and filtered perfection. What they're craving is authenticity, depth, and someone who's actually lived the lessons that they're talking about, that they're teaching. Your late start isn't a handicap. It's proof that you've got something worth saying. So if that voice in your head has been whispering that you're too old, too behind, too whatever, man, I'm calling it out right now. You're not. You are right on time. The only question left is, are you going to let that fear keep you on the sidelines, or are you finally going to hit the record button and show the world what real experience looks like? If you're ready to stop hiding and start creating, no matter your age, download my free Kickstart package. Link is in the description and the bio. It is everything you need to get started in one click. My friends,